So, as always, I figured I'd give you another helpful how-to video. Don't know how helpful it will be to most, but it should be helpful to some. We are done changing one. We're going to be showing you how to today change your taillights in a 3500 series truck, which will be the 1500s too. Well, the same year in the description. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and take out 2 bolts. They 4 ways, one there and one down here. Amos will demonstrate. Now you do got clips on these, so you want to pull out because these clips on the side here can break, and you don't want to do that if you're just replacing bulbs. And how you replace your bulbs is you take these out, and then you can get to your bulbs. But we are replacing the whole tail light, so that don't matter. And then you put it in at an angle, kinda, just like so. You do got a snap up top. Goes in. Watch it. You might chip your paint if you ain't careful.
If it's cheap, yeah.
And it should fit pretty good. Pretty nice. Now you can go ahead and put your 2 4-ways in it. Yep, looking good. Yep, that's how simple it is to change your own tail light on this series truck. Super short video, and hopefully it's super helpful to the people that need it. So tune in next time. Hit that subscribe button. Appreciate it if you do. Show your support. I'll see you again soon.